How's it going, guys? Cushy plays guitar here, and today we're going to learn how to play Booster Seat by Spacey Jane. This is a super easy song and it only has 4 chords. So to start off, you're going to play a Cmaj7 chord, which is just your 2 fingers. It's just your middle finger and then your ring finger. And so what you're going to do is you're going to put that middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string and that ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A string. It sounds something like that. Pretty cool chord. And then also the capo's on the 4th fret. Different carries. And then you're going to play that G, G6. And so it's literally the same shape. The only difference is that you're moving it up, or down rather, onto the E string. And then you're adding that pinky onto the 3rd fret of the B string. You hear that? There it goes. That's the 6. And so that's the intro, is just this. It's just that, and so to play that little lick there, it's just open on the G string, 2 on the G string, open on the B string, 2 on the B string. So, and then open on the B, and then I think it's just back down. Yeah, just back down. So open, 2, open, 3, open, 2, open. If that makes sense. And then to that G6, you need to do an open on the B, 3 on the B, open on the B, or open on the E, and then 3 on the E. So just, and then back down. And so that's the entire intro and the verses. And so for the chorus, all you're going to do is just, kind of do the C major. And then you go to the D. And then that G. And then you go to an E minor chord. And then just back to the C major. Back to the G, C major, back to the G, and then back to C major, and back to the G, and that's the entire song. Thanks.